Alright guys, we're out here, and if things go right, I'm going to try to go down to the river today, the Kansas River. Get it up in the air here and get it all set up. I don't know if we'll make it to the river or not, but we sure gonna give it a try, providing we don't get helicopters starting to fly around here. I get a lot of helicopters. Here we go. We're up in the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Take it up here about 30 foot. Get a good picture. Sure she's gonna sit good. Put it on it. After a couple of 100 foot. Alright. So turn around here a little bit. End it down some there. I've got a MD16 filter on here. Alright, well, here we go. Let's see if we can't get to the river here. And we're underway. I'm hoping that we'll make it to the river. Gonna come back over this way a little bit. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher because I see some poles over there. I'm gonna go this way, get away from those poles. Still gonna have to deal with the poles. Kind of want to go up here a little bit further. Go about 300. There's the Kansas River right there. Should have put this actually 4K 30, and I am not recording. Doggone it. Forgot to hit record. Okay, anyway, there's an island out there. Let's see if we can't zoom in on that a little bit. Only got 2 by zoom. There's an island out there in the middle of the river. Come around here nice and slow. Getting a weak signal. There's the river. I don't know if we can go any farther in there. Try to move up to it a little bit. Try to get right down the river and we'll look down and see if we can't see some fish or something. Oh.
Aircraft entered altitude zone.
Yeah.
Aircraft entered altitude zone.
It's
Aircraft
not gonna
entered
let me.
altitude zone.
So
Aircraft
turn it
entered
around
altitude
here.
zone.
We'll bring it back home. Put some power lines down there. Well, we made it to the river, but it sure must be another zone down there. So it sure wouldn't let me go into it. That's okay. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Getting back up here to the house. Well, that wind's really blowing hard today, too. I think we got 19-mile-an-hour winds with gusts of like 28. Coming home. Should be up there right now. Don't even hear it. This thing's, uh-oh, we got a big bird. Got some big birds. And they are swarming me. Yes, they are. I'm not seeing it. Should be right up there. See where we're at. We're still over the tree. Okay, should be coming into the sight here pretty quick. Can't see it. I have actually, it's right above me. I don't know if it's in the sun. It should be right there. Turn that puppy around. Bring it back home here. Over here, so I'll start bringing it down. I don't know why I can't see it right above me. Yet I can't see the doggone thing. There it is. I found it. Back around here. I don't know if this camera's going to get high enough or not. There is like a star or something sitting right up there in the sky. Get this up as high as I can get it. I just don't know. I wish I had that nappy. So I know that nappy would get it. That's not going to get it. There's something up there in the sky that's just sitting there that's really, really bright. Swing around here and see if I can't get it. See, I'm not getting it. It's gone. Nope, there it is. It's just, can't get it up high enough to see it. 128. Let's go up. Let's see if we can get it to come into frame without exceeding our height limit.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
And cannot get it. Cannot get it in here. It should be right in there. Okay, this goes up a little higher. But it's just not picking it up. It's there. Maybe it's getting it. It's just not coming up on this display. Anyhow. Go ahead and start bringing it down. Get a look up there. Come around here. Get towards Harmon. There's Maple Hill Cemetery up there in the center of the screen. There's Harmon High School. There. If we go over a little bit farther, we'll go to the football field, which is right there. So, I think this was a pretty successful flight. We got to go down to the river, which I think was pretty cool. I think that was pretty cool. Although I ran into a geofence down there. Anyhow, we accomplished what we set out to. Over here is that old laboratory. There it is right there. That's the old laboratory right there that they used to experiment on chickens and cows. They used to give them steroids or something, made them huge. I remember messing with the chickens when I was a kid, and those chickens was as tall as I was. So I don't know how tall they were, but they were pretty tall. They were big chickens. But alright, I think we got that. I think we're going to go ahead and bring it home. I hope you enjoyed that short little flight. And if you like this kind of stuff, you might consider subscribing. It would help, and I'd appreciate it. And please hit the like button. I appreciate that. And as always, stay safe and take care, and I will catch you in the next one.